welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and you're watching Fashion at 50. And I've been eating cucumbers, or I got some on me. In this video, you all wanted to see how I decorated my small apartment. So I thought I would do that. It's a short video, so I hope you all enjoy it. So let's get on in there and see what it looks like. Okay, beside the door, I put two little end tables stacked on one another to put our keys and stuff, and our mask that we wear out, a little candle full of change. And then my sister bought me this, which I absolutely love. It's the one that passed away, and it was just at the beginning of the summer that she bought it. Got my gingham curtains and a little mirror with my artificial plant. And then I have a love seat, and behind the love seat is my, what do you call them? Tubs full of clothes that I'm putting on Poshmark and getting rid of and stuff like that. And I just put a, what do you call that material, over the top of it and made it look like a little end table just to hide it because I don't have much space here. And that's my daughter's dirty clothes, or clean clothes. She just hasn't put them away. And that's my sister Donna, the one that passed away, her bags that come from the hospital. But anyway, and I made those three. You watched me on a video that I'd done in my fake fern, which I absolutely love. Then come around, and that's my wall hangings. That used to be a gigantic picture, and my husband cut it down for me, and I painted it and put that in the middle. And these used to be shutters on a house that I used to live in. We had them on the inside, and I painted them and put the little design wreaths on there. And my end table that I got for $10 at consignment store. And of course, all my sunflowers and things like that. And that's my mom and my dad when they were little. And my sister gave me this when my mom passed away. And my lamp. And I just got some throw pillows. And this is my other sunflower wall accessory. My little rug. And then you come on around and I have more sunflowers. And this was an old trunk that came out of my husband's dad's house. And I scraped all the old paint off of it. And this is what was underneath it. Absolutely love it. I had my extra covers and things like that in it. And this is my, sorry to say, TV for down here because I have the big one upstairs. And then my sister bought me this that says home at the same time as she bought the other. And then I've got my, what do you call them thing? Milk jug or churn, butter churn or something like that. I got from my mom, and I put sunflowers in it. Then you go on down the hall, and this is the bathroom. So the house is not the cleanest in the world, but I put this on the wall, just some primitive stuff on this one. And then I put a star and that picture. That's all I've got in here besides a little candle and my towel. Then in the kitchen, you walk in, and I have this sunflower with, I put some fall leaves in it too. It's a little early, but that's all I did for now. Then my gingham curtains again, and I made those, and I put sunflowers up at the top. I have sunflowers on each side, and I have a gingham curtain over the back door. My little welcome sign, home sign that I got at the Dollar Tree. And my table, which is the catch-all for everything. That's where my computer is. I want a desk to put right here, and I'll move my table over some to do my editing and things like that. Then you come on over in this corner, and I have this little wooden chest, and I made this, put it together. It was two pieces, and put the sunflowers on it, and then have my little boxes and my lanterns. And I like to collect lanterns like this, and I also have some of the glass ones at the other house. And then this is my cabinets. This is about the cleanest you'll ever see my kitchen. And it's just a basic, nothing extravagant, just a basic kitchen. And I'll show you guys upstairs. So this is the upstairs. As you come up, I have a home sign and all my dolls that I'm collecting. And then I'm not going to show you in there because that's my daughter and granddaughter's room and they haven't really done much to it. I'm out of breath from coming up the steps. And this is my curtain in my actual bathroom. And that's Live, Laugh, Love. And then over here, I have a bath sign with my towels. And then I put that there to hold all our extra whatnots. But that's our small bathroom. And then come around to my room, which is still a mess. I did make my bed. I don't have an actual bed yet. I want a black iron bed. So until then, I've got this up above it. And my room's actually supposed to be in black, gray, and white. Then I have 2 closet doors. Then I have my, what do you call them things? I forgot. My mannequin, my mirrors over my makeup, then my actual mirror. Hey guys. And then that is all my extra clothes that I can't fit in the closet. And my dresser that I painted. I have a video. If I can find it, I'll link it below. And then my bigger TV. And then this is my desk, which is a mess with my camera light and all that I do. And then I have to have a fan. Even though I have a ceiling fan, I still have to have a fan. And then this is something that my girlfriend got me for my birthday. And I hang on my necklaces and things like that there. And then I have these wooden things here that I put my nail polish in. I found this at a yard sale and put a backing on it, and that holds all my nail polish. And then I tried to make one of those that I seen on a video somewhere. It didn't work out too good. And then I got one of these to put on my jewelry, rings and bracelets and things like that. So yeah, so that is a tour of how I decorated my house. And it's not the cleanest in the world, but I hope you guys do like it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Love you guys bunches. Bye.